In this episode of FUM0108 machining we are dealing with tapered pins and tapered reamers. Here is a selection of tapered reamers and tapered pins. Well, I found these in Frankfurt flea market. Again, there was a big box of miscellaneous stuff, and there were some high-speed steel pins, and it was a quite large box with all kinds of stuff in there. And well, after some bargaining I bought it. Well, what was in there was those pins, but those high-speed steel pins, like this one, for example. This is a straight pin, but it also there were like hundreds, maybe thousands of these, and then it also had a small box with reamers, which at first sight seemed a little bit strange, but then I have learned that these actually are tapered reamers for tapered pins, and they are different sizes. This one is 8 millimeters. This one here is, what is this? This is 5 millimeters, and so on, and down to this very little guy here, which is well, it is 1 millimeter. So, well, but they all share one thing in common. They are DIN 9 tapered reamers. These have a strange kind of this flute, and if you roll this, you soon notice that this is looks like a left-handed drill, but actually it is cutting on that edge, so that you rotate it. So this means that it don't grab into the tapered hole. Yeah, that's the reason for this very strange thing. And then we also have these, which have straight flutes. Yeah, okay. And then a while ago I went to my local dealer here around, who is selling all sorts of stuff, and in his basement, in the shop basement, he had a box of different tapered pins. And of course I said that I would like to buy those, and well, not all, because it was really a lot of them, but I said that please pick up a selection for me, and so I have a few different sizes. Yeah, and what you are doing, if you for example have a 3 millimeter hole, then you pick up the correct reamer for 3 millimeters, I believe. Is this a 3 millimeter? No, this is a 3 millimeter. You can read here 3 millimeters. So you pick up this, and this is suitable for 3 millimeter hole. Then you ream it, and you test it, and then with a suitable pin, and when you are done, well, you are done. So this is how you do a tapered pin. You really, it's a sort of in a hobby player. It's you have to match it by hand, try out. In real life you actually would have something like a known depth where you cut until you are, but I don't have that luxury. So, and why I'm doing this? So let's find out. This here is the cross-slide handle of my lathe. It has developed some play into it. this is not backslash, this is the handle being loose. And there is a straight pin, it's a straight pin, not a tapered pin. True, and well, as you can see, that's not a proper fit. But it doesn't have any other type of play, only this radial play. So what I'm going to do here now is to knock off the straight pin with this like that. And this is really a straight pin. Let's see the diameter. It's 3.1 millimeters. Okay, and now of course this should come out. I will clean this properly. Not properly, but I will clean this. And this one, yeah, it's quite clean already. So, my intention here is to, now because it's 3.1 millimeters, I could use the 3 millimeter reamer. It was, yeah, this one. And then I just put the handle in place. Please note, I have never done this before. This is the first time I'm doing something like this. Oh, there is that. There is some stuff inside. The hole was retried. That was probably the reason. So now what I will do, I will ream this with this reamer, and then I will choose a pin. I believe it should be long enough, like long enough, and there should be 3.1 millimeters at one end. Oh yeah. On the small end this is a hair under 3 millimeters, and in the large end this is 3.7 millimeters. And where is the 3.1 millimeter? There. So we have that much, we can do that much. So, well, yeah. This should be quite suitable for this, this thing. So, now, yeah. Okay, I will start now reaming this. Well, I don't have, this one has a very strange attachment, which, so I'm using this chuck for this one. I'll put it this way, so maybe that way. Oh yeah, okay. And of course you need to use a lot of, I believe you need to use cutting oil here. Let's see, I've never done this before, so forgive me if this goes wrong. Well, it definitely does something. Okay. Let's see if it has been, yeah, it has been cutting. Okay. You need to have a very steady hand here. And as always, when reaming, the reamer shouldn't be turned the back way. You always should turn the reamer in the correct direction. Let's try this out. This is too small, I know. It's already fixed the issue, but I believe I need to ream a little bit farther away. And of course now, when I do it this way, this hole becomes directional. could use my cordless drill here, maybe. But I'm a little bit afraid of using that because I could very easily break this reamer in the hole. You need to be extra careful here. Yeah. This works nicely. Let's see now where we are. Oh yeah. Well, this one will become a very good thing. It fixes the issue altogether. Yeah. It does, definitely it does something. Let's see. No. It goes even further there. We have some more to go. Yeah, I will continue this and come back when I'm ready to the next step. Next thing to do is to cut off the excess, and I already cut this a little bit. Well, yeah, it's now inside there and it's really tight. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I will grind that a little bit more. Oh yeah. Let's see if it goes a little bit deeper. I would like it to go a little bit deeper there. Yes, it did. And now, well, there is absolutely no play in that one. Now I will cut that one. Well, yeah. This is always a treat to, sorry guys, I'm blocking your view, but what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting the pin. There you go. Then I will make it a little bit nicer on the top. Well, there you are. Tapered pin instead of a straight pin. And yeah, it feels good. You don't hurt yourself with that one. Yeah, okay. And it's way better. Now there is only the backslash, not the additional play this one had. Okay. Well, yeah, good. Okay. The carriage handle got fixed, and tapered pins are really nice. They are way better than the straight pins. Of course there are uses for both, but in handles like this, tapered pin is the preferred way to do this. And yeah, okay. In the next episode of FUM0108 machining we are going to do a carriage stop. This one is, I have one, but that's not good, it's not very usable, etc. But in the next episode we will make one that will fit my needs. Okay, till then, see you!